Ever feel like your to-do list never shrinks? Imagine if a single tool could automate the boring tasks that eat up your week, giving you back hours for creativity or family. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple AI tricks you can start using today, no coding required, and watch your productivity skyrocket in real time. First, let's tackle email overload, the silent productivity killer. AI-powered inbox assistants can scan incoming messages, categorize them, and even draft quick replies based on your past style. By training the model with a few examples, you'll spend minutes, not hours, sorting mail, and you'll never miss an important request again. The system learns as you work, improving accuracy each day. Next, let's free up the endless back and forth of meeting scheduling. A smart calendar AI reads your availability, suggests optimal slots, and even sends personalized invites to participants. When you approve a suggestion, the tool locks the time, adds a agenda note, and updates all related apps, cutting what used to take 10 minutes down to a single click. Third, AI can become your first draft partner for reports, blogs, or social posts. By feeding the model key data points and a brief outline, it generates a coherent paragraph structure in seconds. You then fine-tune the wording, add your voice, and publish instantly, saving the hours you'd normally spend staring at a blank screen daily. Another huge time saver is AI-driven data entry. Connect a spreadsheet to an OC or enabled AI that reads invoices, receipts, or forms, extracts the numbers, and populates the correct cells automatically. The system flags any anomalies for you to review, meaning you no longer copy-paste rows manually, and your reports stay accurate without the tedious grind today. AI can also organize your personal knowledge base. By scanning your notes, bookmarks, and saved articles, it clusters related topics, creates a visual map, and suggests missing links you might have forgotten. When you click a node, a concise summary pops up, turning a chaotic collection of files into a searchable, instantly navigable brain that fuels faster decision-making. Finally, voice-activated AI assistants can handle tiny but frequent chores. Ask your device to set timers, draft quick emails, fetch weather, or even generate a shopping list from a spoken plan. By using short custom commands, you eliminate the need to switch screens, turning minutes of scrolling into a single spoken phrase and freeing mental bandwidth for bigger projects. Putting these AI tools together creates a feedback loop. Each saves minutes, which you reinvest into learning more shortcuts, making the system even more efficient. Over a week, you'll notice inboxes cleared, meetings scheduled in seconds, reports drafted instantly, and data entered without manual typing. The result is a predictable, weekly gain of 2 to 3 hours of free time. If you're ready to reclaim those lost hours, try one AI shortcut today and watch the difference. Subscribe for more practical tech hacks, like this video if it helped, and comment below with the AI tool you plan to test first. Together, we'll turn busy work into free time, one smart automation at a time right now.